So I just wanted to turn on my webcam as I'm in the middle of this production because I am getting to the point where I hate music. There is just some of these days where no matter what you throw down on your track, it all sucks. You think it's good, and then you keep listening to it, and you're like, this is terrible. This is not going anywhere. Let me redo it. I am now probably on my sixth or seventh rewrite. I don't know if you can even see, probably with my session. All these different ideas are all, I keep them because, maybe I want to go back to them, but honestly, everyone I've done, I throw away. This is becoming an absolute mess, an absolute nightmare, and I'm hitting writer's block in a really, really bad way, which I haven't hit in a long time. And I decided to just turn on the webcam, share it with you guys, to let you guys know first of all that I still hit this stuff from time to time. I've been in this industry for a long time. And these are these moments where music kind of puts me back in my place. I sometimes get a little bit arrogant, a little bit cocky, thinking that whatever I do is going to be great. I'm going to pump it out. And sometimes stuff like this happens and it just takes me right back to square one of like, nope, you really don't have it all figured out. There's going to be some days or sometimes when the obvious answer does not present itself, and everything you do just sounds crappy, just does not sound good. So first of all, we're all in the same boat in a way. You guys have your situations where you probably deal with this. Sometimes you just get a little bit of writer's block and you can push past it. But to this point, I'm literally visualizing throwing my iMac out of that window and watching the shards of glass explode beautifully. I'm just getting to that point where it's almost too much. But I do want to sort of take my own advice, because I know that I've pushed a lot of you guys through your writer's block and given you a bunch of content and videos about how to get through this stuff. And this is me just sort of venting and putting it out there, and letting you guys know that even I have to sometimes go, what did I tell everybody to get to do when they hit writer's block? Maybe I need to go back to that. And literally I did just now start watching some of those videos. I'm going to watch even more now and kind of find out exactly what I should do to get through this. But definitely one of the things that I recommend you guys do if you get to this point is pause it. Go get some physical exercise, go get some sunshine. I'm definitely going to go do that right now after this video, because that's one of those things that I forgot. That's one of those things that really it gets me through these points of just lulls where I don't feel any inspiration at all. Also, listening to music in the style that you're going for, just getting out of your DAW session and listening to somebody else's music, just wrapping your entire head and putting on headphones, probably preferably, and just getting yourself lost in somebody else's production and somebody else's world for a little bit, can sometimes pull you out of your funk and put you just in a new place mentally. But I mean, sunshine, taking a walk outside, going to the gym, lifting some heavy objects, whatever it is that really gets your blood going, and really sort of resets you, then do that meditation, whatever it is for you. Just go do some yard work, go do some chores, some errands, whatever it is, just to take your mind away from music for an hour or two, just a little bit, so that you feel refreshed and recharged and ready to go. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I just want to let you guys know, and just maybe reassure you that you're certainly not alone. If you've ever felt this, if you've ever been in this situation where you're this frustrated and it's starting to turn into anger for me, frustration and being a little bit bummed out that your music's not working out, that's one thing. But when it gets to the point where, again, I want to destroy things and break stuff, okay, time for me to just put the brakes on a little bit, and reset myself a little bit. And so that's what I want to do. And really what I did today also, which really helped, was going to the Sync Academy. I was kind of just watching and reading a lot of people's comments and questions about what they were doing. And that really actually helped a lot, just for me to see that there's other people out there doing this kind of stuff. I know you guys here on YouTube, obviously, I know you guys are all pursuing this as well. Some of you are going 100% full force. Some of you guys are kind of dipping your toe in the waters. But just know that all of us are doing the same stuff, and we all face this stuff. And even myself, 11 years in this business, I'm not immune to this. Certainly happens. And I'm already feeling better just by talking about it and just putting it out there. And so I'm definitely going to share this with Sync Academy, and let them know that they are certainly not alone with their frustrations when they feel this kind of stuff. So anyways, that's all I wanted to say. We'll see. I hopefully will get through this track. I will get through this track. I'm going to put myself in a positive, and determined mindset. I will get through this track, and finish it up. That's my commitment for myself today. Just wanted to share this with you guys.